a little walkthrough in order to help you understand how to create YouTube playlists for one of our assignments. So what we're going to do is we're going to sign into our MVNU Learn account. Remember, you're going to want to make sure you're in the correct account here, not your personal Google account, although these instructions would work there as well. You're going to make sure that the Mount Vernon Nazarene University logo is up here in the corner and that either your picture or the correct initial is showing up here. So when you're in your Drive or in your Google account, we're just going to simply go to our Google Apps button here and click YouTube. Once we get there, it's going to give us all kinds of suggestions of things we might want to watch. I don't even know what most of these are and how they choose them. But anyway, that's not what we're focusing on now. Go back to your initial up here in the corner, and we're going to go into your Creator Studio. Notice the first time you used it, it had one set of instructions, but now that we're in YouTube, we're going to be having new instructions. So we're going to go to the Creator Studio here. Now, right now, it looks like I have nothing in my account, and that's fine because we're just getting started. So what I want you to do now is head over here to Video Manager on the left and click the down arrow, and then you're going to click on Playlists. Okay, and right now I have one playlist that I've created, but there's nothing in it. So I've created a student engagement playlist, and the little world here means that this is a public playlist, which is good. And so this is empty right now, so I need to find some videos to put in it. And I also need the other playlists that are expected in this assignment. Those are listed for you in our Google Classroom as well as on Moodle, so you can find those and all instructions of exactly what is required in this assignment, but I'm just showing you how to do it now. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to type in a search for what I want. I've already pulled one up for us, and it's this video about Kid President. I thought this would be good. I just love this kid. For just a few seconds here.
It's time to wake up, people. This one goes out to teachers. Teachers have students.
Alright, and that's just a little taste, so I would definitely watch that whole thing, make sure everything's appropriate with that before I add it to my playlist. Kid President is usually pretty good, but you know, we always want to be careful that we are monitoring everything that we're sharing with our students. We don't want to be surprised by anything, so always watch the videos you're adding to your playlists first. But now, let's say I've watched the whole thing and you know, he's good to go, so we're going to go over here to this little button that has little lines and the plus, and it's the Add To. So I'm going to click there, and remember I had already created a student engagement playlist earlier, so all I have to do is hit a check mark here, and right over here it'll tell me added to playlist. So I've got that one added. Had I decided this goes into a different playlist and not the one that I'd already created, I can also create a new playlist right here by entering the name and then choosing what kind of privacy setting I want it to have, which again, we want these to be public because we're sharing these from the internet onto our site for others to be able to see. And then if you are creating a new one, obviously you're going to want to hit the word create. However, since I already chose for it to go into student engagement, I hit checked mark, it just did it there, and then the little thing over here on this side popped up saying that it had been added. So now when I go back to my playlists and I refresh, I should see my video here that I just added in student engagement in my playlist there. The other thing is, refresh here too. Don't forget when you switch screens, refresh. I can, let's see. I'm not sure why this is not showing you this now. There it is. So my playlist, it just took a second. My playlist now, I have student engagement and I have one video in here, but it'll say play all, meaning that as I add them here, instead of having the number 1 here, it'll have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, however many I put in that section, and it's creating these little, like a filing system of your different videos that you think are important. So you're going to want to name them carefully and then add your videos in there. If you have any questions, let me know. But remember, Creator Studio is where we're headed to get all this started, and then our playlists is where we're headed. If you need to add a playlist here, you can, or simply just go search the web, and every time, or I'm sorry, not just the web, search YouTube, and then as you find those videos, you're going to want to add them with that little button, which is, again, this one right here, and that will add it to different playlists. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Good luck.